This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to download OBS, Open Broadcaster Software. We're downloading OBS today, so I'm right here on the main downloads page. You can find it at obsproject.com/download. Now, it will identify what your operating system is when you come to this page. It's correctly identified that I have a Mac, which is accurate. You have the Intel version, the Intel chip, or the Apple Silicon version right here, and there's a couple of other versions you can download via BitTorrent right here if you prefer to use BitTorrent. Now, if you have Windows, it should identify that you have a Windows machine, so you can download the installer here. Again, you have the BitTorrent version and the zip version, so you can just click on those if you're on Windows, and then there's Linux versions as well. Right here, if you click on the Linux icon right here, you can download on FlatHub. So you can pick your poison here as far as what platform you want. It should identify your operating system in general anyway, but obviously if you want a different version, you have that option right there. So I have Apple Silicon, so I will click right here on the Apple Silicon version, and just like that we redirect to this page. If the download doesn't download automatically, you can click try again. I saw the icon fly up, which is a universal symbol on Mac that something has downloaded to the downloads folder. I'm on Google Chrome, so on my Mac it goes directly to the downloads folder. Now, your downloads location might be different depending on what browser you have and what your setup is. So you will find the installer in your downloads location. If I just go back to this page, there are some different versions right here as well. I should mention at the bottom, previous releases we can click on. And then we do have this, we've got this GitHub page right here, which lists all of the changes, and you can download different and previous versions right here. So hopefully you found this video on how to download find and download OBS, I should say, useful. If you found it helpful, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.